Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Easy. So today in this video I'm going to show y'all how to make a speed bar in Roblox Studio. Now without wasting any time, let's begin. To create a speed bar, you have to download Roblox Studio, and after downloading it, just click on new and then click on base plate and just wait for it to open. Later you have to add a part and you can scale it if you want, and after scaling it I'm going to add the script. To add the script, right click on this part and then select insert object and click on script. So here I'll just remove this, and before adding the script you have to change the name of the part so that it would be easy to code. And now the first command would be local speed bar equals script.parent, then enter. The next command would be game.workspace dot speed bar dot touch connect function speed. The next command would be if speed dot parent wait for child which is humanoid, and then speed dot parent dot humanoid dot walk speed equals, let it be 8. As you all can see, I finished scripting. Now let me explain this code to y'all. So the first command is local speed bar equals script.parent. This means this script's parent is speed bar. And the next command is game.workspace.speedbar.touched connect function speed. Well, let me tell you, workspace comes under game and speed bar comes under workspace. So when the speed bar is touched, connect function speed. Then if speed.parent wait for child humanoid, then speed.parent.humanoid walk speed changes into 80. So that's the basic code. Alright, let's run it and see now. As you all can see, the script is working fine. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to Tech Easy.